So I'm having a giveaway, and I would absolutely love if you follow me at Modestly Lavish on Instagram, at YennyCC, at YCEECE, the number 1 on Instagram, and if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please engage. I look at the comments. All of those things are bonuses. And if you follow me on TikTok and Just Being Us 2020 here on YouTube as well, it would also be absolutely amazing and a bonus, okay? I will be giving away a bottle of maca root. For sure, you're going to get a bottle of maca root and face mask. Again, please rock with me. I'll probably put something like, hey, this is the post for the giveaway. Please engage on this post. But in general, if I see you commenting and whatnot, let me just say it's a good look, all right? But I really do appreciate y'all. The giveaway will be until November 11th, midnight Pacific Standard Time. But I will most definitely be coming back with more videos. So let's get into the video. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed to me, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are skincare hacks, product reviews, talks about maca root, how to glow the heck up in general, alright? Now, I've put on some weight recently. I've been eating like crazy, and for me, it's more of a thing where I have a very fast metabolism, so I'm trying to just maintain, right? If I gain to where it looks like I'm very toned, I'm cool with that. I just don't want to lose, and it is very easy for me to lose. For most of you who are watching, I'm assuming you're watching because you're also trying to maintain or gain weight. So we're going to get into one of the ways that you can do that. Now, this is something that I saw on 2 channels, and I've just remixed it, or add my twist to it rather. Shout out to, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Officialitohan, and shout out to Natural Vibes. Both of them posted shake for skinny girls, how to gain weight fast. Officialitohan said you do this about twice a day and you should see results in as little as a week to 2 weeks. I feel that I have actually put on weight. Of course, I've added my maca to the mix, and I'm going to show you what will go into this shake. Let's get into it. So the things that I will be putting into this weight gain shake are honey. This wasn't one of the ingredients that she had. I'm just adding it to it. Almond milk. She had soy milk, but she said you can use almond milk. So you're gonna need some dates. I've already taken out all the seeds, okay? I'm adding, of course, my maca root. I'm going to add the 30 drops. I have oatmeal, which I'm going to add. Bananas, 2 ripe bananas. I will be using Greek yogurt. So the things that I'm substituting are the Greek yogurt and the oatmeal, okay? Let's get into it, okay? Almond milk, I might have to add more, but this is all gone. Almond milk. I'm gonna go ahead and add my dates. I'm gonna put about a handful of them in here. A handful of the dates. Like I said, I've already taken the seeds out. Okay, and I have enough for another shake, and we're gonna add the banana. We are going to add the oatmeal. You blend it up. know what? This needs some cinnamon. I'm gonna add some cinnamon to this.
Give it some flavor. Let's see how this tastes. Why is this so good though?
But that is about it. Like I said, add your ice to it. If you feel so inclined, please do like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Listen, drink your shake as you patiently await the votes coming in, because we need to know what is going to happen from here on out. And hello.